a guide to worlds I've never known, where I'm never left alone. Oh, you Masaki and take me far, oh, take me into the land of dreams so blue, where I can spend my time with you, through the stars and through the night. Guide me with your lovely light. No need for words, no need for talk on velvet clouds. We simply walk, a gentle touch, a soft embrace. I see the love upon your face. No sorrow there, no tears to cry, beneath the vast and silent sky. Oh, you Masaki and take me far, oh, take me into the land of dreams so blue, where I can spend my time with you, through the stars and through the night. Guide me with your lovely light. The morning comes too soon, it seems, and breaks the spell of all my dreams. But I will wait for you again, my charming, gentle, sweet friend. Oh, Yamasaki and take me far, oh, take me in. Take me far, oh, take me in, to the land of dreams so blue, where I can spend my time with you, through the stars and through the night. Guide me with your lovely light. Guide me with your lovely light. Sadness that couldn't be helped out, I passed through with my eyes closed, looking at the graduation photo in my hand. I just sat there looking down. The person I was back then, I wonder if they are still somewhere acting innocent, looking at the graduation photo in my hand. I just sat there looking down. People tend to change little by little, like a person riding a fast train. I just wanted to tell you, you're doing you're doing great, as I watch you so far away. The busy town, the inner intersection. I'll try to find you there just for a moment, looking at the graduation photo in my hand. Oh, I just sat there looking down. I just sat there looking down. People tend to change little by little, like a person riding a fast train. I just wanted to tell you you're doing great as I watch you so far away. Ooh, I just wanted to tell you you're doing great as I watch you so far away. Looking at the graduation photo in my hand, I just sat there looking down. Your expression was planning something and sharpening your lips, because you hid in the pocket the sensation of farewell. When I take a picture with a Polaroid on the desk, the past days offend me, but they're more dazzling than now. My memories are in monochrome, put color on them. Come back and make me happy again. Beautiful color girl. My hand became numb of holding the phone, having long calls until the morning. Your sighs caressing my ear, I won't forget now. My memories are in monochrome, put color on them. Come back and make me happy again. Beautiful color girl. Beautiful color girl, bringing the open newspaper to my face. I have a sleep alone now, dreaming in my pillow. I wish to find you throbbing on a boat going by the beach, with the illusion of the rainbow flowing from the little finger of your waving hand. Dye the sky, dye the sky. My memories are in monochrome, put color on them. Come back and make me happy again. Beautiful color girl. Beautiful color. Fall in love more selfishly, enjoy kissing more. I'd rather hold on to the memories I seem to forget than to hold on to them gently. If only I could forget, I'll be unloved. Even more than that, you keep those clear eyes, with that burning burgundy on the verge of disappearing, with a heart that would grant your wish. We could hold each other again and again, shake each other all the way through tonight with words that sound so sad. Instead of crying in a drunken stupor when we open a bottle of wine, I'd love you more than you love me now, more than you love me now. You have no other option than to be ashamed. That burgundy heart that burns like it's about to go out, you're still holding on to that burning burgundy heart until you love me more than I love you now. Clear eyes of yours, that burning burgundy heart on the verge of dying, I wanna see a disappearing burgundy heart swaying. How come you want to be more beautiful? I wonder if that's because nobody likes to take a look at you. Nights only leave you dancing freewheelingly. The premonition of love only sprints through the air. Why, how come you can't say a single word of I love you? Unreachable feelings still sway in the night sky. Winds are whimsical only to give you a pause. The premonition of love only sprints through the air. he sprints through the air. Throw down your tight body, those blue eyelids, I want to close them with my lips. If I could be born again, I would be your mother, giving you even my life. I want to protect you. Since this city is a battlefield, men are soldiers who bear all the wounds. Please remove your heart pains. Return to the child you've been, with a warm heart. Only to me you showed your tears. Since that day I decided that I'd live to support your dreams. If it's love, someday it will fade, but I have a very deep love. Even if you turn your back someday, in the distance forever, I'll be the Holy Mother staring at you now. Remove your heart pains. Return to the child you've been, with a warm heart. Love is a mystery calling me. Love is a mystery with a magic power. Like a scene from a movie, I leave it all behind. Airplane, north wing flying to him tonight alone. I take off the one I once gave up on. Teardrops marking the end of my heart. City lights shrink below, looking down from the sky. Like wandering in a dream, crossing the night, chasing night flight. Love is the mystery, spreading my wings. I'll fly across the shining sea, feeling a little scared. Dates are being rewritten. Yesterday, just full of pain. The foggy town where you live waits beneath the clouds, awakening the sleep of love. Unknown sky, dream colored night flight. Love is the mystery, holding back words, suddenly jumping into my heart. That's your If my wish came true, turn your breath into a white rose. On the days when we can't meet, let's decorate the whole room with them while thinking of you. Darling, I want you. I feel like I'm about to run away to a thrilling love. I stand there frozen like a lost child. I wanna deliver myself right away. I turn the dial and stopped. I'm just a woman fall in love. Ooh. If my wishes can be true, will you change my size to roses, white roses, decorate them for you? Thinking about you every night and find out where I am. I am not living in your heart, darling. I need you no matter what. I have a wish that I can put into words. Saturday night and Sunday, because I always want you. I turned the dial and stopped. I'm just a woman fall in love. Darling, you love me right now. I wanna hear your voice, even if I hold my cheeks with both hands. I'm at a loss, I hate the night. I turned the dial and stopped. I'm just a woman fall in love. Don't you remember when you were here without a thinking we were caught in fire? I've got a love song, but where it goes. Three loving hearts are pulling apart, or one can't stop you, can't hold you, can't wait no more. I'm just a woman fall in love. I'm just a woman fall in I'm on board thanks to myself as I leave. Through my old photo album, always within my chest is a person who cheers me on. That smile come rain or shine, appearing on your face, even though the memories of us fade away. Those days of the youth in search of your shadow are great tears to flow, praying upon the very first evening star. Already became my habit, looking up to the sky in the evening. I seek for where you are now, that smile I would think of in tears and enjoy. If I'm to be seen from a place where you are, I'm going to live on, believing we can surely meet again. great tears to flow as I wanted to meet you, wanted to see you. These feelings for you are great tears to flow. The long straight path leading to your heart always encouraged me, although the path was very, very steep and narrow. Now I'm coming over to pick you up. Even though pursuing my own big dreams has been my job until now, but from now on, bringing you the happiness that is going to be my proof of my life. As you learn the love tears have carried, and when tears spilled from your eyes, you realize the joy of love romance is nothing more than a connecting bridge to the harshness of love. Eventually you found that when you stood still in the wind, as you entrusted your tears to the wind, you became a woman. Right now under my feet I confirm that path leading to your house. From today on, you are just a woman. From today, you are just a woman. From today on, I am just a man. A woman in love is a dreamy heroine around the clock, but for a short while she sits before the mirror wondering which of her eye pencils to use. She looks out the window as if she's really sad, her scarlet silhouette. Now that you have stolen my heart, give me more romance, make me love you more. Now that you have kindled my heart, give me more romance, don't stop me loving you. When you touched my neck with your lips, I found my voice had become hoarse. I didn't even notice I had taken off my earrings. Our overlapping silhouettes hold me so tight I can't move at all. Give me more romance, sweet, talk to me more. Hold me so tight you can't hear my heart. Give me more romance, put me in ecstasy. Now that you have stolen my heart, give me more romance, make me love you more. Make me love you. Now that you have kindled my heart, give me more romance, don't stop me loving you. Ooh. To you, yes, my love, to you, yes, my love, to you, you, to you. I was me, you were, that's what you said last night, I think. I wonder if I was just dreaming. It's just that so real. Why did I take your key and keep it? It's just too cold, I just wanna forget it all. Stay with me beneath the midnight door. Stay with me, just please don't ever wake me up. Stay with me beneath the midnight door. Stay with me, just please don't ever wake me up. My heart is still in love. Stay with me, eyes, stay with me. Even though the street lights are blurring, I will not cry, I'll be fine. I said I'd be okay, right? I'm sure I'll forget about you surely. With someone else, I'm sure I will. Why did I take your key and keep it? It's just too cold, I just wanna forget it all. I'm sure I'll forget about you true. With someone else, I'm sure I will. Why did I take your key and keep it? It's just too cold, I just wanna forget it all. Stay with me beneath the midnight door. Stay with me, just please don't ever wake me up. Stay with me beneath the midnight door. Stay with me, just please don't ever wake me up. My heart is still in love. Stay with me, I stay with me. Even though the street lights are blurring, I will not cry, I'll be fine. I try not to be a weak guy, I should learn Stay with me beneath the midnight door. Stay with me, just please don't ever wake me up. My heart is still in love. Stay with love. Stay with me, even though the street lights are blurring. It's you who taught me that even the stars that shine from 100,000 light years away still have their finite lifespan. It's you who told me that this single flower that blooms in every season has infinite life force. I'm leaving, but I can't promise you. Last song for you, last song for you. When or if we will ever meet again, your touch that melted my heart, your kiss, your warmth, your everything, I will never forget it. Please don't look back. Thank you for your kindness, thank you for your tenderness, thank you for your smile, thank you for your love. I wanna thank you for everything instead of saying goodbye. It's you who supported me with your warm words in those sleepless nights when my mind went astray. It's you who gave me dream in those days when I was alone with my heart's broken inside. I hide my tears and bid him goodbye. Last song for you, last song for you. Trying to act as calm as usual. Your voice when you called me, your encouragement, your kindness, your everything. I will never forget it, but I won't turn back. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your tenderness. Thank you for your smile. Thank you for your love. I wanna thank you for everything instead of saying goodbye. Instead of saying goodbye. Instead of saying goodbye. You put on your makeup, looks just so small to me. I guess that means I still love you. Somehow it came to my mind. Raining, it's raining outside. To end the story, such a rainy day is just too suitable. Everyone is a story. Who enters the first page full of hope? Yet didn't you read what was written on my door? Said this is a very sad story. It's raining outside the same as that day. You were standing at the door with your shoulders wet. It's raining outside onto your heart of frosted glass. Stripes of rain is falling. Floods of rain. persists to the heartbreak begins. Love is over. I can't hold back the tears. Love is over. Now I have to leave, so please don't say anything. Just let me go. Love is over. Look into my eyes. Love is over. I can't take it anymore. Love is over. I have to find my own way, so please don't hold me. Just let me be. Love is over. I remember the nights. Love is over. We had our happy time. Love is over, but that is all in the past. So please don't cry for me. Just let me go. Love is over. Look into my eyes. Love is over. Love is over. Love is over. I can't take it anymore. Love is over. Love is over. I have to find my own way. Love is over. So please don't hold me. Just let me be. I thought our love would last forever, but I was wrong, and now I have to face the truth. I'll always remember you and the love we shared, but it's time for me to move on and start a new life. Love is over. Look into my eyes. Love is over. I can't take it anymore.